Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to our channel. And I'm not being very much to eat because it's been very hot day and we just welcome and didn't much to eat. So I'll be fixing up the car into my customer car and they have the robotic gear issues. Basically the clutch pump, the housing, the quarter fork came off. So I will show you. So inside there's a clutch pump to hold the clutch fork. So all inside the clutch, deploy the clutch. So this is the clutch pump, then to be replaced, but that housing came off. And so I'll be servicing as well. So it's been overdue for more than 500 kilometers anyway. And I'll be checking to the operating system at some particular place as well. I was the bus, then the airport. I will maybe the gearbox mount. And the gearbox mount. And there's a operating system here. Sit on top of the gearbox. Whoa! I've taken out the operating system. Here's the operating system. It's and the good one. Yeah. Oh, it's been a long day. I'm inside the EMT operating system. is the airplane system. And the outputs of course, so airplane settle. Finally, I've completed everything, so hopefully we'll start the car and see how it goes. Whoa! Yes! It's starting. No issues. It's super cool. Finally. So happy to have it working. My fourth customer car. Awesome. Everything's looking good. And I've set the system of the robotic system. It's really working. So I'm breaking my scan tool. Yeah, for the robotic system. We sit on top of the gearbox that is actually manual. Let me show you. Wow, looking good. It's working. So let me reverse the car. Okay, let's go. So it's working. Yes. In the reverse, before it needs to be a gearbox light, and that's good. But it's been damaged. And the clutch pump been damaged. I replaced. Cool, man. It's working, man. So I have to swing to D, which is forward. So it's D in auto mode. So it's working as movie. Whoa, yes. And I'm sick of the buzzer there. So, good job. It's pretty dark. And let's go and see the customer. Assalamualaikum. Tutup kah? Pintu. Bagi kata it seems very happy. Okay, well, it's been 2 months. He never used the car because the gas got damaged and the clutch pump got damaged. So I replaced the part. So now it's driving.
Wow, alhamdulillah. Very nice. Like a new car.
So,
Wow.
happy, right? Oh.